Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Going Balls notifications. So let's get started. First, open your settings on your mobile device. Scroll down a little until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Going Balls and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on Going Balls notifications, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Going Balls notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.